doing this and what do I gain from that? After that, they can process the information and put into practice what they have learned. They prepare products for presentation. And showing off what you have learned and what you have made is exciting. Sharing makes it fun, and when you make students look back on what they have done and learned, they will not easily forget. There's the reflection that we were talking about yesterday. You will also want your students to look back on what we have done and why and what have we learned. Yes?
Yes, yeah.
I see Gabrielle writing, but this same PowerPoint presentation will be
Here we
on
have
the
it on the handout.
World Life, how do you call it? Windows Live.
Yes, okay.
Or you
but-
can put it on a
It's
stick,
okay.
so don't,
Yes, I put it on this one.
yeah, so don't write, just, if you want to write, okay, but.
So when you make your students look back and you ask them to look back, you want them to look back on what they have done, what they have made, but also on how they have done it, the process. It's always the product and the process. And that's what you learn from.